番からの紹介スピーチをラフールサブで参加しますので、ラフールさんステージに来てください。
Next, we have a BAIAE introductory speech from Mr. Rahul Sable. Mr. Rahul, please come on stage.
Hello. So, जय भीम everyone. आवाज येतो माझा? आवाज आहे? Okay. Thank you. So, BAI, the organization which we started before 13 years. I will speak in Hindi, in English, and I will use also Japanese in key points. Wherever we feel like important information, we will speak in different language. So, the Dhammachakra Parivartan Din we are celebrating here on behalf of BAI, the organization we started before 13 years. I will go through these main points: aim, scholarship projects, the Big Buddha project that we are handling, and some other topics. So, first we will go the aims and objectives that we are having. The BAI organization, we mainly focusing on secure quality education, pay back to society, and Pragyashil Karuna. Our vision, it is simple that we will secure whoever requested the education are lacking in various for financial problems and various opportunities. So, as a BAI, we are supporting the people who request for financial support and for mental support also. So, our full mission is like not only supporting education but also supporting and raising voice against the atrocities that being happened in India. And main values within our organization that we will always follow Pragya, Shila and Karuna, and also transparency within the organization. So let us go towards the scholarship projects that we are handling. So first, we are having two types of scholarship projects right now. First one is a high school project, and then higher education project. So someone, okay, I think there is live going on. So, okay, sorry for the disturbance. So scholarship schemes are for those candidates who are poor, needy, and financial assistance are needed for them. Those people. We are like having various students which are like not even possible for them, not even possible to go to school, buses, tuitions, books, all those are the necessary things that we are facing, like supporting them. So with the high school project, we are supporting around 60 students per year. So financially, as well as we are guiding them, like we have crucial years which is 10th and 12th in our Indian educational system. So for all the 60 students, we are like around 25,000 rupees per year we are spending as a BAI organization. And for the higher education, total of 10 students are being supported right now. 3 students are already they are graduated. One of them is a medical graduate, and other two are engineering graduates. So and we are also having new batch for 2022 and 2023. For this project, higher education project, we are spending around 1,25,000 for each student, and this will be like for his all higher education scholarship. So for now, we will be having five more students, and this money, whatever we are spending on them, this will be like we will be asking them to pay back to society, like within 2 or 1 year, wherever he is comfortable enough to pay back to society, and with that return money, we will also support to other students whoever are needy for the next batch. So this was the progress and this was the process for our scholarship batch. Okay, so as we started in around 2013, and from that year we managed to gather this much of amount. Like for the 2014, 15, and in this year we have managed like around 1 lakh N. So this amount is in N. This contribution whatever contribution we gather, we will donate it to the students as we already mentioned. And within these 13 years, we managed to donate this much amount. Yeah. So this was all collective. Like we are able to give opportunities with this money. This is not the money. This is also a support, like mental support. Only financial support is not behind this money. The mental support, the guidance, whoever are studying, they are getting guidance from ourselves. Only supporting money is not enough. So behind this money, we are also having guidance. So coming to the Big Buddha project. So we are also having one more project, namely as Big Buddha project. But now we have changed the name. The name will be Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar International Education Center. So with this project, this is the timeline. Like we started around 2021, and we took registration process for like 1 year. It took because of the corona and all those things we were mentioning. And now we are planning for land breaking, and this is the tentative timeline that we are focusing on. If you want to see more details about this project, you can scan the QR code that we are having on the screen here. So and you can see this the website that we have already created for this organization. The more details will be there on the website. So with the project current stage is like we have completed one construction there for a security house, and we are also focusing on various activities there. Like we have completed Buddha Jayanti, Ambedkar Jayanti, and this Dhamma Chakra Parivartan Din program also. So this was the update about the Buddha Big Buddha project. So coming to the others projects that we like on the beginning of this BAI, we started the Chondi project, which was this village is located in the Akola city of Maharashtra. With this project, like Bante Suresase was also there. And he donated clothes, books, and various educational like books and other things. So with this project, we managed to support hundreds of students. Like lots of them are now settled, and one of the example you can see staging on the stage speaking with you. This is the benefit of this project. So I was the first member who came to Japan with the help of this project. Thank you. So this is not visible, but I am sitting somewhere here. It is not visible. So yeah. So again, we also have other projects also. Mentioning all projects is not enough. Library support also is there. So we have supported library and some other functionalities also, like health. Some people come to us and say, like in Corona, so we supported a lot of people. Some kids there, they need a lot of money in short time of period. They are not able to manage that. So we also managed to support those kids also, necessity in health. So this was all about BAI within this 13 year. It was a short time, but thank you very much. Thank you for listening to all this. Thank you very much. Jai Bhim. Jai Bhim. Jai Bharat.
ラフルさん、ありがとうございました。
Thank you, Mr. Rahul, for the BAIAE introductory speech.